Welcome back for another unboxing of Moda, because that's what we love. And I think, maybe this is Kansas Trouble Wheatland. What is it? Wheatland, yeah, that's what it is.
Yay.
It's a good thing it's not Parlor, because
Not the one we were betting on.
not quite done with that one yet. Haven't even started. But the sample for Wheatland is done.
We should
And
hold
can
that up.
show it after we're all done. So this is a cream, kind of a yellowy cream. I don't know what else you'd describe it as.
Vanilla.
Vanilla, there you go. Good vanilla. These are going to make great sassies. Because people, when I had samples up of a Kansas Trouble line, everybody kept asking for the fabric, but we were sold out of it.
This is really pretty, really saturated.
So. She's got like a little wheat, what do they call the end of the wheat stalk?
I think that. Wheat fruits. Put it in the comments.
Kansas Trouble is always known for those Civil War blues and purples and reds and mustard yellow, orange color. That plummy purple. Chocolate brown.
That's pretty.
Yeah, that one is pretty. Green. I know there's a name of that. Name of that part of the wheat. I can't.
The chaff and tears, I just know it from the Bible. That's all I know.
Possibly.
There's probably people watching this and yelling at the computers what it's called.
Yes, type in the comments so we know, so you can remind us what it's called. If your husband or significant other is a farmer, a wheat farmer.
A wheat farmer. Then you should come get this line.
Oh,
Oh, that's pretty.
the little tips of the wheat.
Individually, I know they're wheat berries, but I don't think that's what they're called on here.
This maybe.
Oops, sorry, I was busy looking at the fabric and people got a little view of the wall and nothing else. Sorry.
It's all good.
Pretty cheddary color.
Yes. Love this name.
This is looking more blue on the screen, but it's really a really pretty bright cheddar color.
Let me get a white piece of paper, that'll help.
I can
Maybe.
reach.
That should help.
It does.
Give it true color. I learned that when I was selling on Whatnot.
Well, that the white helps get the real color. That's really pretty print. The little
Mine.
what I would call squigglies. That's the technical term.
Yes. I'll shift these over a little bit because of gonna fall if we don't.
Really pretty harvest kinds of colors.
One box down. One box to go. Maybe.
Selvage is pretty as well.
What does it say on it?
It says, I started to read, if you could understand a single grain of wheat, you would die of wonder, by Martin Luther. I looked at the one that was already cut off with. That's pretty.
Nice. It's the same print but in green. I love how these colors have, like, you can just see almost like a little grungy kind of lighter shade.
Oh yeah, it's kind of some texture movement.
This one you can really see.
And that cheddar on the inside is really pops on this one.
Oh yeah.
That's really pretty.
Navy. No, black. Just kidding. This one's black.
Those colors are pretty when that one looks. That feels nice.
Oh, this one's pretty.
That'll make a great binding.
Yeah, this will make a cute binding. Hair's a hot mess.
We have sewing hair today.
Yes, mine's camping hair.
I'm wearing sewing pants, which is to say sweatpants.
Mine is get home from camping, take a shower, blow dry halfway, and go. That's what mine is.
Ooh, this one's cool.
Does make a nice binding too.
Yes, it would. Make a cool flange.
Yes.
It's tiny enough you would see it. And it is just a little tiny guy. That's pretty.
It's on a diagonal. Actually.
That's cool. This line would make a great quilt.
Yes, it would.
I would for sure make a quilt out of this.
So would my husband, because these are
Yes.
his colors.
Has he already started his?
No. He's into rocks right now.
It's good to pace yourself.
He's not into much quilting besides the quilting room's a hot mess. Except for my side. Well, my side's still a hot mess, but
But it's your mess.
I can sew on it. His right now, you can't.
It's unusable.
Yes. Because of all my crap is probably in his way.
Is this black or navy?
Navy.
The colors are really saturated. This is really pretty line.
It really is. Kansas Trouble always does a great job. Last one. Ooh, this one's pretty. This is like that
With
black
that, it
one.
has, but it has all the colors. That is really
Yeah.
pretty. Did the black one have all the colors?
No, just red.
Okay. There. Drum roll to cover up your eyes. Close your eyes.
Oh, not me.
Not you. Not you.
The camera.
My eyes were closed.
Okay, good.
There you go. You can see all the different colors in there.
While you're showing them that, I'm going to grab the sample.
Oh yeah.
Oops.
That's okay. I love it when things get kicked in my leg. It's good.
Sorry.
Makes me feel at home with our puppy.
Okay.
Oh, that's so
So
pretty.
Beth maybe put this one together for us. She did an amazing job, especially on the application. She does an amazing job
On
anyways.
all of the things.
On all of the things. I'm not tall enough.
Do you want to switch spots?
If you would like to.
I'm not that much taller than you, unfortunately. Do a little switcheroo.
Maybe we will, maybe I can set up the little
You can see I'm wearing my sewing pants. There we go.
Oh, so pretty. I'm going to come up close so you can see the applique. We will have kits for this available, hopefully. I gotta remember. I think so. Very beautiful. Let's see what the borders look like. There you go. Very nice.
Tippy toes.
Very, very good.
Scooch it.
Okay, well, we should have kits for this available. That's why we did the sample. So, thank you for watching. Have a great day.
Hope you get some sewing in.
Yes. See ya.